The matrix of this case is quite complex, but the essence of the case is fairly straightforward. The issue of this case is about double financing. The first purchaser, UMBC Finance, left the registration of a tractor board to the tractor dealer. The registration usually took about 2 to 6 months for the registrar and inspector of motor vehicles (RIMV) to issue the registration card. The UMBC Finance had not checked if the tractor had been registered or not. On the other hand, the tractor dealer then sold the tractor to a leasing company, the second plaintiff, who then leased it to the first plaintiff. In the registration card for the vehicle, the dealer was the first owner, the leasing company was the second owner, and the first plaintiff was the third owner. Upon UMBC Finance finding the tractor, they seized the tractor from the plaintiff. The second plaintiff and the third lodged a police report, and then action was filed. In the judgment by Peh Sui Chin J, he stated that the UMBC Finance and second plaintiff were the genuine purchaser. The mastermind behind all of this was undoubtedly the tractor dealer, as he sold the tractor twice fraudulently. However, this is not the issue brought in the case. Useful case to be referred would be Mortgage Mercantile Co. Limited. However, there is an absence of provision or any facility given by any government department as dealing with registration of ownership in England. The hire purchase transaction was kept by a company or some sort of trade association known as Hire Purchase Information Limited, where all members and their hire purchase transactions recorded for the benefit of all. In Malaysia, there was a statutory system, or at least a quasi-statutory system. The mortgage case was distinguished as the statutory provision of the Road Traffic Ordinance 1958 for the registration of ownership claim constitute two distinctive local circumstances of West Malaysia. As such, it was not necessarily to rely on English cases by virtue of Section 3 of the Civil Law Act 1956. It was held that the claim is allowed.